So, ayun nga guys, gumising nga din ako ng maaga at nagtiklop ng mga aking pinakigaan para nga din makapag-rides ako ng maaga ngayong araw. At pagkatapos ko nga din gumayak, ay umalis na nga din kami. Mga 5 PM na rin siguro kami lumabas, yung nagliwanag na din. At syempre, safety first din, dapat naka-helmet at maayos na damit bago umalis. At dahil nga din sa highway kami dadaan at marami ding mga sasakyan na dumadaan, kaya kailangan mag-safety first na naka-helmet at naka-gloves din tayo dahil mahaba-habang paglalakbay ang gagawin natin. At sa rides nga din na ito ay marami kaming nakita ang mga nagbo-walking at nagla-running dito sa aming gilid, kaya dito lang din kami sa may gilid ng kalsada para din makaabala sa iba. At dahil nga din mabilis din kaming pumadyak ay malapit na rin kami sa aming lilikuan papunta sa may Palayan City Arc. At habang kami nga ay pumapadyak ay may mga nakasabay pa nga kaming ibang mga riders na nagla-rides din na papunta sa aming ruta. Kaya ayan, kahit nga medyo baha yung daanan ay tuloy-tuloy pa rin kami at kahit nga din medyo basa na rin yung aming mga gamit ay tuloy-tuloy pa nga rin kaming pumapadyak sabay-sabay. Dahil din siguro sa malakas na ulan kagabi kaya siguro bumaha din dito ng ganito.
Hello. Kaliwa. Kanan kayo, may motor. Motor. Kanan. Dapat ka din morning. Hello. Bike ride.
At pagkatapos nga din ng ilang minuto ay nakarating na din kami dito sa may arko ng Palayan City, Nueva Ecija. Let's go!
Nakikita na naman tayo ng nanay natin. Nag-ayos-ayos. 17K. Pitching. Heaven 29.
Walang chat si mama. Ha? Walang chat si mama. Kaya mo kang pulang. Ang gabunga ka pa.
Merienda after bite. Napadyak pa mga guys.
Tapos pang may hapon, jogging na naman.
Tingnan natin maka-jogging tayo. Kaya pa ba jogging? Bike run? Patsawat sana eh. Swimming! Uwi na po kami. Uwian na. Ay! Basa! Basa! Ay! Arte. Basa talaga.
Hoy, puto! Tumabi ka! Puto! Gago, tapos may bumili na.
Open the doors, dancing like no one is watching, love and laughter. There's no time to stop.
Ang taas ng baha.
Now we are alive, let's take advantage and take that dip. Walking
Basak na, magkarosya lang tayo dun sa tigli 5 piso dun. Na Procten.
on is a gift.
Carwash.
Not see,
Yung...
worry about tomorrow's conflicts.
Oo nga, salit-salit. Isa lang dapat kailangan mawashing na lahat. 1 minute lang naman yun eh.
Get lost
Hati-hati.
in the flow.
1 minute? Ato? 5 piso, 1 minute. Bilis naman na. Yan na guys, Hunter Valley. Laki ng bangao. Ha? Bawal. Oo.
Resort Pente, ma'am?
Oo.
May swimming pool.
Oo. May zoo pa yan. Zoo yan.
Bakit pinagsasaban?
Baka binabaha nga. May tao dyan. Ah, doon pa kaya si Kuya Lem?
Binaba nga ba yung ate Kang?
Oo. Ayun, umakaw dyan. Bagong buhay. Okay lang, buhay ka pa dyan pag lasing ka. Lunod ka nga lang. Basa. Mag-helmet kayo mamaya sa highway ah. Paglabas ng Eagles. Teng, naka-record pa? Kala mo nakikita niya eh. Ka-red? Nagre-red dito? May red. Kita mo?
Balot!
Ang aga mo na magbenta ng balot. Ano ka intelligence ng police? Maaga yung balot. Ice cream, ganon. Pandesal. Puto, yun nga nagtitinda. Walang balot sa umaga.
Basketball!
Ganon.
Basketball!
Damputin mo yung isang aso. Ayun sa kalsada.
Basketball! Basketball!
Puto.
Jesus!
Hala, namin.
I can't slow down, shouting loud, got me running red lights. Oh, I just can't
Bakit?
get you out of my
Saglit, dito ako.
mind. I can't slow down, raising rocks, speeding into the night. Oh, I just can't get you out of my mind. Yeah.
So, magsalamin. Nalagdag. Bugle.
I can't slow down, shouting loud, got me running red lights. Oh, I just
School zone.
can't get you out of my mind. I can't slow down,
Mas malilate ka pa, no?
into the night.
Pasok niya alas 7, pasok mo 7-1.
Out of my mind. Yeah.
Hmm. Baka hihingi ka pa ng baon, hindi na.
Malapit ang bahay nyo eh.
I can't slow down, shouting loud, got me running red lights. Oh, I just can't get you out of my mind. I can't slow down, raising rocks, leading into the night. Oh, I just can't get you out
Bakit?
of my mind. I can't
Okay.
slow down, shouting loud, got me running red lights.
Ikot sila.
Oh, I just can't
Tayo ay dediretso. Hintayin natin sila doon sa dulo. Dulo. Pag may kasama ka talaga nag-ride, hindi mo ganong random yung pagod din. Katulad sa running din.
Hey there and welcome. Today I want to take a moment to talk about something
Sige!
that often gets overlooked in our pursuit of success. The journey itself. We live in a world that constantly pushes us to chase our goals, to strive for that next big achievement, and to measure our worth by the fruits of our labor. But what if I told you that the real magic lies not just in reaching those milestones, but in savoring every step along the way? Let's face it, we all have ambitions, whether it's landing that dream job, starting a business, or achieving personal growth. Our goals drive us forward. They give us purpose and direction. But in our relentless pursuit of these goals, we can
Ini
sometimes
baka.
forget to appreciate the process that gets us there. We become so focused on the finish line
Ayan
that
na!
we miss the beauty of the race itself. Imagine for a moment that you're climbing a mountain. The summit is your goal, the place where you envision yourself standing triumphant. But what about the breathtaking views along the way? The friendships you forge
Baka.
with fellow climbers, the lessons you learn from each challenging step, and the moments of joy when you pause to take it all in?
Baka sakali.
These experiences are just as valuable, if not more so.
Ito na
than
naman,
reaching
puro
the top.
tubig mga
When we
guys.
shift our focus
Sige.
from solely the end result to the journey, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Each day becomes an opportunity for growth, learning, and connection. We start to appreciate the small victories, the late nights spent studying, the early mornings dedicated to practice, or the moments of creativity that spark new ideas. These are the building blocks of our success, and they deserve our recognition. Setting goals is important, but it's equally vital to cultivate a mindset that values the process. This means embracing the challenges and setbacks that come our way. Instead of viewing obstacles as roadblocks, we can see them as stepping stones that teach us resilience and determination. Every stumble is a chance to learn something new about ourselves and our capabilities. Think about the last time you faced a challenge. Did you feel frustrated, or did you take a moment to reflect on what you could learn from the experience? By reframing our perspective, we can transform our struggles into powerful lessons that propel us forward. This shift in mindset allows us to celebrate progress, no matter how small, and to find joy in the everyday moments that contribute to our larger goals. Another key aspect of enjoying the process is practicing gratitude. When we take the time to acknowledge what we have and where we are, we cultivate a sense of contentment that fuels our ambition. Gratitude helps us recognize the support systems in our lives, friends, family, mentors who encourage us along the way. It reminds us that we are not alone in our journey and that every step forward is worth celebrating. Let's also talk about passion. When we pursue our goals with genuine enthusiasm, the process becomes a source of joy rather than a chore. Think about what excites you. What activities make you lose track of time? When we align our ambitions with our passions, we create a fulfilling experience that enriches our lives. This doesn't mean that every moment will be easy or enjoyable, but it does mean that we can find purpose in the work we do. As we navigate our paths, it's essential to remember that success is not a destination, but a continuous journey. Each achievement opens the door to new opportunities and challenges. By embracing this mindset, we can remain adaptable and open to change, allowing us to grow in ways we never imagined. The more we enjoy the process, the more resilient we become in the face of adversity. So how can we cultivate this appreciation for the journey? Start by setting aside time for reflection. Journaling can be a powerful tool for this. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences as you work toward your goals. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and take note of the lessons you learn along the way. This practice not only helps you stay grounded, but also reinforces the idea that every step is part of a larger narrative. Additionally, surround yourself with positivity. Engage with people who inspire you and share your values. Their energy can be contagious, reminding you of the joy that comes from pursuing your passions. Seek out communities that celebrate growth and learning, where you can share your experiences and gain new perspectives. Finally, don't forget to take breaks. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and forget to recharge.
Pagod na!
Allow yourself moments of rest and reflection. Whether it's a walk in nature, a day spent with loved ones, or simply some quiet time to think, these pauses can provide clarity
ba kayo?
and rejuvenation. They remind
Matulog na
us
tayo.
that life is not just about the destination, but also about the experiences we gather along the way. As we wrap up, I want to encourage you to embrace the journey ahead. Your goals are important, but so is the process of perseverance, discipline, and have faith in God.
Tulog kayo mamaya pagdating sa bahay niyo. Tulog o maglalaro pa kayo? Magro-Roblox pa ata kayo. Mag-helmet kayo dun sa Eagles bago lumabas. Ay, silang helmet ko.
Si National. Rinaldo. Rinaldo. De la Cruz. Jose Diaz de la Cruz.
Na ba? Ngawit na, no? Basa ang puwet! Saan kayo nag-ride sabihin eh?
Hindi, umalis ka na. Ano yung
Ha?
home yung ano?
No?
Home!
Ano yan?
Home yung maganda.
Oh.
Parang higaan.
Yung short?
Yung ano?
Hindi.
Oh.
Hindi.
Eh,
Matigas.
sa akin.
Ayun na. Bike. Sumigaw ka kasi pag may tatawid. Kaya nga sisigawan mo kasi walang busina yung bike. Oh, ayan.
Kanina patalak lang.
flowers.
Papayat ka ng gusto niya.
Opo.